Bruh! Yo! Bruh, what are you telling me, bro? What are you telling me? Sheesh! You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I've got a video that's very exciting because I'm going to be unboxing something that's very, very special. To me, anyways. I actually didn't know this product was out at all until I actually released the video reviewing these. So I did a 2-year review on the Sony WH-1000XM5, which are these, the best headphones you can ever buy. Literally the best headphones you can ever buy. I actually did a review on them. My last video was actually reviewing these. If you want to check that video out, you can just click up there and check that video out. I reviewed these and I then went on YouTube to see how people are titling the video, so I can title mine, you know, a little bit similar. And I clicked on it and apparently the new ones were out. I was like, huh? When did this come out? And I didn't know. I'm a tech guy and headphones is my thing. And I didn't even know this one came out. So yeah, I saw it, I was like, you know what, I need to buy that because the design looks so freaking nice. So, you know what, that's what we have in this box. So, yeah, let's unbox it, bro. I'm bare gassed. I've literally just opened the box, seen what is on the top. As you can see, that's literally what's on the top, bro. That's what's on the top. I was gonna pull it out of the box, but I was like, you know what, I want you guys to see my reaction to this, bro, because I'm very, very excited. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. God damn. Bro, that looks juicy. God damn. Bro, God, look at that. Look at the pristineness of that box, you know. Look at the pristineness of that box, you know. Sheesh. Obviously, in the front of the box, you got the thing. You got the little picture of the headphones and that, yeah. And then you got the Sony, and then we got the WH-1000XM5. God damn, bro! If they did a madness on the M4, God knows what madness they've got for us for the M5. I'm excited. I'm gonna be reviewing this bad boy, and also I'm gonna be versing it with its sister. I'm excited. Right, let's have a little look around this box because I really want to get this. I want to see it. Obviously, I got it in the white version because I already have the black version. And I just wanted to change it up a little bit because obviously I'm not exactly this color. You know, I am that color there. I really don't want to sound racist. I'm that color there. So it might, you know, give me a nice contrast wearing the white headphones. I don't know, but that's why I got it. A little bit of a change, and plus I wanted to see how, you know, the color is as well. It's not even white. It's more like a creamy whitish color. So it's not fully white. I think they call it silver. Actually, they call this color silver. Well, yeah. Obviously, we got that 360 realistic audio, which is awesome. We have the built-in Alexa. We got OK Google, and we have the basically it's telling us that it's made for iPhone and for iPod as well. Look, so no, yeah. It's made for iPhone, iPad, no, iPhone and iPod. It would be nice for them to say it's made for Android as well, but obviously we don't get that option. But yeah, literally this is all we get. Right, let's get straight right into the box, man. I'm so excited. Oh no, there we go. Oh my god, bro! The presentation, bro. The presentation of this unboxing is mad still. Shit, look at the box, man. God damn. Tells you it's the 1000X series right there. That looks so nice. It's like been not embroidered, but imprinted into the box, bro. That looks so nice. Right, let's see. Bro, I'm so excited, bro. I'm so excited to see the color and excited to see the shape of it as well because it's different from the M4s. So bruh. Yo! Bro, what are you telling me, bro? What are you telling me? Sheesh! Bro, I'm so... What the hell? Bro, tell me now that's not a... Bro, tell me that's not a mad presentation, bro. And tell me that's not a mad color right out the box, bro. Bro, I'm so buzzed up, man. What the hell is this? Bruv, I'm so gassed. Bruv, that is I don't know own anything this color, but that is a freaking nice, bro, nah. So I think Sony have outdone themselves, bruv. Oh my God. Bruv, look how neat that is, man. Bro, you trying to tell me that's not neat? Look how neat and how sexy that is, bruv. That's the carrying case, I'm guessing. That looks so old, bruv. The color as well. Flip. I'm so happy I went for the silver one / white / cream color one, because this looks so freaking good, man. Bruv, that looks very, very posh, very luxury, very expensive. That, bruv, I'm getting gas already. I'm not even looking at the actual product, bruv. Oh my God, what's this? Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. A little stock guide thing, probably something to do with your warranty as well, and how to probably use the thing as well. And obviously, you got the 360 audio, I don't know, some app, music service, free trial. Yeah, 360 realistic audio music service. But yeah, that's that. That is that. God damn. Oh my God. Woo, I like the little details, the little accents touch. Look at that. A little liquidized gold zipper over there from Sony. Sheesh. Right, let's see. Okay, here we go. I'm gassed. You know what? Let me open it this way. God damn. Right. Look at the presentation, fam. Bro, the presentation of this is way better than these ones I have. The M4s, bro, because they came all folded up inside the box. But this is how you present a freaking headphone, man. This is how you present a headphone, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. Tell me that's not mad. Sheesh. Oh my God. Oh, this is premium, bro. Bro, the first thing I noticed is the leather. The leather for the ear cups, a lot more different. I think they're using a much more different kind of leather for the ear cup. But you know what? I'm not even gonna compare both of them, because that's gonna be in a separate video. But god damn, this is, bro, I can't wait to bust these out in the gym, bro. Shit, tonight is gonna be lit, you know. Oh my God, bro, I ain't even gonna lie. They got like some kind of like cardboard box. It feels like that kind of material, man, for some reason, bruv. It feels like cardboard box material, which is a bit weird, but I mean, bruh, I ain't never felt anything like this before, man. I never felt anything like this. This is freaking premium. This is awesome. The ear cups look a lot more bigger as well. It looks more thicker. But look at that. Bro, tell me that is not a mad one still. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Have a little 360 around that. That looks amazing. That looks incredible. Whoa. God damn. Same principle on the the M4s. Obviously, you got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack there. You got the on button, and you got another button, which that's the ambience noise cancellation and ambience noise. And then on the other side of the cup, we got the USB-C, obviously port over there to charge it up. But yeah, oh my goodness, bro, this thing looks absolutely pristine, man. That looks awesome. Whew, wow. I like the movement. Look at the movement on that. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. Look at that. Look at that. So you can get it in whatever oh wow. Wow. So much adjustment. You can find a setting that fits you really well. And makes you feel comfortable. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, that feels so much, bro, that feels, bro, look at the contrast, bro. I'm so gassed, bro. Why am I this gassed? I'm sweating. Why am I this gassed? Have we got, oh, wait, what? Bruv, there's no NFC. Did they take that out? I'm not sure at all, bruv. I am not sure. Because normally in the old one, there's the NFC sign on the side of it, but there's none here. So, but yeah, bruv, look at the contrast, bruv. How am I looking? Bruv, I'm looking fly, you know. Jeez! Bruv. Rotted, bruv, look at that. Look, I look so good. I'm looking at my preview TV right now, monitor, and bruv, bruv, I don't even know what it is, but I feel like the noise cancelling is feels so much better. Like, oh my god, bruv, you don't understand. I'm ready for the gym, bruv. I'm ready for the gym, bro. Shiz! Oh my god. Bruv, I think Sony have done this stuff. Come on. From the presentation to the headset to the carrying case. God damn. That's amazing. Oh my god. I was literally oh my god. Wow. Bruv, hear that one more time and tell me in the comments here what you think that is. Bruv, that's magnet. That man said there's a magnet in the freaking case, bro. There's a magnet in the case, fam. Bro, in here we got your 3.5mm headphone jack. To obviously, if you want to use it wired, and then you got your USB-C cable to charge it up. Obviously, it doesn't come with the charging brick, but obviously you probably got charging brick lying around the house, so you can probably just use that. But oh my god, man said there's a magnet, bruv. Bruv, there's a magnet. Yo, look, that is not going in. Look at this. Bruv, there's a magnet. That's that, bruv. I'm sorry, but Sony, if you're watching this, yeah, bruv, you have outdone yourself. I'm telling you now, you guys have outdone yourself. You've made me feel so good. You've made my day today. I feel so gassed, yeah, and I can't wait to go to the freaking gym. I honestly, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. It's just everything is so amazing, bruv. Sony, bruv. Keep on the work, bro, because this is sick. This is so good, man. Oh my god. I just noticed actually, in the last headphones, the M4, they used a rose gold, they used like rose gold touches and that. But in this version, they've used gold, pure like the color gold to outline a few things for like little touches and stuff. Because if you look at here, instead of the rose gold color, you got a gold Sony logo there, which is really nice. And then you got like gold touches like inside here as well. So yeah, pretty much I can't wait to see how they compare with my other ones. But anyway, I'm going to be reviewing these bad boys as well. So if you guys want to check that video out, subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button, yeah, so you don't miss out on when I review these bad boys. Because I don't know if you guys know, but audio is a big thing for me, and I get so gassed when it comes to audio, yeah. You guys don't want to miss that video, but yeah, guys, please, like I said, subscribe so you don't miss out on any video. Turn on your goddamn post notifications, yeah, and also, yeah, like the video. Comment down below, tell me if you got one of these, and also tell me if you like them, what I should expect. And yeah, man, I'm buzzing, right. I'm gonna go try out. Right, I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the vid, cuzzy. Jeez, peace. Aye, let's go. Oh my god, bro. That's mad. This is so cool. This is so lame, you know. Jeez. Bro, that looks so good, man. That is, bro, that is something else, bro. The way that they've designed it, oh my god. Bro, I'm really impressed, man. I can't wait to take this for a test run, bro. I swear to God.